Hi, in this video I will show you how you can install WhatsApp and get it to work on your iPhone 4S in 2019. Now here are the few things you need to check first. On my phone I'm running iOS 9.3.5, so to ensure that it works, make sure your phone is running on the latest version of iOS for your iPhone 4S. Next, make sure that you are already connected to Wi-Fi so that you can download apps, and then go into settings. In settings, make sure that you sign into iTunes already. If you are not signing into iTunes, then you will not be able to download the software. So here is iTunes. So I have signed in already. So if you haven't signed in, make sure you sign into iTunes. That will allow you to download apps. Next, go to the App Store. And then in the search box, I'll put in WhatsApp. You can see it's right there. And then tap on the download button. And wait for the download to complete. Now this may take some time. I will leave the video running so you can see how long it takes to download and install WhatsApp on the iPhone 4S. So you can see it's pretty quick, not that long, not that slow. It's already 3/4 now. I'll just wait for a little bit more. Looks like it's finishing soon. So I'll go back to the home screen and check it out. So it is now installing. Now again, this is the iPhone 4S and we are installing right now in 2019. Now once it is installed, tap on WhatsApp to open up the app. So tap on OK and then tap on Agree and Continue down here. Now we need to put in the phone number, so I'll put in the phone number. So this is a test number that I use for testing. And tap on Done. So just wait for it to connect and then tap on Done. We want to skip because we don't have anything to restore, but if you do have anything to restore, you can tap on the restore button. So I tap on skip restore and that will skip the restore process. And now I can put in the name, so put in the name that you want to use for this account. So I'll put in David and then tap on the done button here. So once you tap on the done button, it will go into the chats list down here, chats, call status, so you can do a few things such as status, chats. So what I'll do is I'm just going to try to add in a new chat. So I create a new chat and I'll tap on this one here because I have created a contact before with this account already. So I'll put in test and that's it. So on my other phone I'll check it. So here is my phone. This is the Galaxy S8. So you can see here it works perfectly fine. So that's it. Quite straightforward and simple. That's how you install and use WhatsApp on your on your iPhone 4S. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.